How to play music in Discord. Playing music in Discord makes our voice chat more fun for friends and servers. So if we do not know the right method, music won't play or bots won't work. So let's just play the music in Discord step by step. So we can open up a browser and we can search for Discord music bot, for example, Jockey, Hydra bot, etc. So I'm just gonna add in the Jockey bot. You can just go over and hit enter and you can find Jockey music option like this. You can click on the particular link and basically find the option called invite. We have 4 invite option. You can click on one of them and head over to the authorize page. Before that, once you open up the bot like this, you can scroll down and you can select up a server where you would like to add the bot. For example, I would like to add it in this bot right here. I mean this server. You can select up the server and click on continue option. And you can even give the permissions such as administrative permissions and click on authorize and give the necessary permissions. And you can clear out this capture as well, and the bot should now be added to your server directly. You can just head over to Discord. So go to discord.com and open it up and go to your server. And once you are headed over to the server, you can just go over and join any of the voice channel here. So find it up and there we go. The Discord voice channel has been joined. You can make sure the bots have joined this as well. You can click on invite to voice and invite other people as well. And for that bot to play music, you can go to any of the text channel available and there just go over and type in /play and song name, like what song you're trying to play, or the YouTube link. If there is any kind of YouTube link available, you can just go over and paste it up. And once it is done, the music should start playing in the voice channel. You can just go over and type in these commands as well, such as pause, stop, etc. and use that bot. And that's it. You can use Hydra or Jockey for best quality and create a music-only voice channel as well and lower the bot volume for clear voices. And that's how you play music in Discord very easily using bots or screen share. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.